Oh, that's a big bass. Oh, it's a nice bass. Oh, baby, stay on there. All right, buddy, stay on there. Oh, boy, stay on there. No, 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 no. Stay on there. Oh, it's a nice fish. There we go. Oh, don't worry, ski buddy. Easy now, come here, bud. Little guy. See ya, buddy. We are back at Egg Harbor Township Nature Reserve. Nice little lake, full of bass and sunnies. No pickerel. And I believe that's it. I've never seen any crappie or catfish or anything like that. And, you know, as far as I know, they're not in here, but they could be. I just know there's no pickerel in here. All bass. I've only seen a few large ones come out of here. I've never caught one over 2 pounds here, but it's just a beautiful spot. Quiet. This is the spot in, I want to say, mid-May. I saw a guy hit a hook into a 5-pounder. Biggest fish I've seen come out of here. It was good to see because it's good to know that there's fish like that in here. Go. Better one. You're a better one, aren't you, buddy? You hit that hard. The tug is the drug, as the kids say. Gotta love it. You're beautiful. Pressure's high right now, which is good. Maybe that's why they're on. I don't claim to be an expert. I do know that the pressure is high, which is good. The barometric pressure is what I'm talking about. Yep. Little fatty. Hey, buddy. little guy. Hey, buddy. Oh, you're better than I thought. Easy, easy, easy. Go. Oh, that's a big bass. Oh, it's a nice bass. Oh, baby, stay on there. All right, buddy, stay on there. Oh, boy, stay on there. No, 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 no. Stay on there. Oh, it's a nice fish. Oh, it's a really nice fish. Okay, 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 okay. All right, buddy. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay. Oh, it's a nice fish. Oh, you're a beaut. Ah. That a girl. That a girl. Whew. Got a picture of you, honey. Look at you. You are a beaut. Oh. All right, honey. I don't know where to let you go. Oh, there you go. Get your bearings. See you later, baby. Oh. Oh, what a beautiful fish. That's a nice one. Oh, it's a nice one. Stay on there, buddy. Stay on there. Come here, come here, come here. I got you. Get your bottom lip. There you go. Woo. Almost got me, fella. Nice fish. See you, buddy. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one there, kids. Oh, that's a nice one. Stay on there, baby. Okay. Ah, that's a nice one. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful South Jersey bass right there. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful fish right there. Get you back in the water, honey. Oh. Little aerial. Oh God, there's another one. Another nice one. No, 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 no. Come here. Come here. Oh. Come on, come on. Easy, honey, easy, 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 easy. Okay. Whew. You're short and stout. See you, buddy. There we go. Oh, that's another nice bass. Stay on there, baby. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Oh, he's hooked on the bottom jaw. And you got me. Oh. Nice one. You got me bleeding, honey. Got me bleeding good. Beautiful fish, huh? Uh-oh, Ariel. I'm all slimed up. That fish had that bass on the bottom lip. Not a fan of that.